Thank you.
Thanks.
I recently ordered a couple items online that I needed for my nursing clinicals, and I just went to go pick up mail, so I will show you and unpack with you. Here we have 3 items. Oh, yep, it's my nursing uniform. By the way, these are like not a look. I don't understand why we can't just wear a scrub. I hope I got the right size because I did go try them on before I ordered it. Kind of looks big. What do we think? Oh, it's not a look. It is not a look. You would wear like black pants with this. Next item. Oh, I know what this is. It was $25 from like the Sydney school store because I wasn't gonna get no $200 Littman one, you know? Yet. I feel so unqualified to use this right now. You have to assemble it. I'll be back. Last item. Ooh. Oh, these are the fob watches. It's a 3-pack from Amazon. I'm gonna take the white one out first. We need these because you can't have like watches or your phone on you when you're working. So you use this and you kind of just like clip it onto your scrubs or your shirt. This is so funny, guys. I can't. Why is it lopsided?